Are you searching for a powerful yet affordable laptop for work, study, or entertainment in 2025? Let me introduce you to the ANPCOWER A127, the latest 15.6-inch laptop, designed to give you speed, performance, and convenience all in one sleek device. This laptop comes with a brilliant 15.6-inch Full HD 1080p display, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or working on spreadsheets. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core i7-6500U processor, with speeds up to 3.1 GHz, giving you smooth multitasking and reliable performance for everyday computing tasks. One of the best highlights is its massive 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB SSD storage. That means lightning-fast boot times, faster file transfers, and plenty of space for all your apps, documents, and multimedia. The Backlit keyboard makes typing comfortable even in low light, while the Fingerprint sensor adds an extra layer of security. Plus, you get a built-in HD webcam for video calls and online meetings. Connectivity is also impressive: Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth, mini HDMI, and even a TF card slot, perfect for expanding your storage or connecting to multiple devices. And of course, it comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, so you'll enjoy the latest features and a modern user experience right out of the box. So if you're looking for a laptop that combines performance, storage, and style, the ANPCOWER A127 2025 edition is definitely worth checking out. Reference link below description. Thanks.